power in his hands, but loneliness in his soul. Then one night, he created love. Walker stood beneath the stars alone, building worlds with a heart of stone. He could move mountains with a wave, but couldn't escape the pain he saved. Then a light fell from the midnight sky, a miracle standing before his eyes. She took one breath, looked into his face, and brought warmth to an empty place. She whispered softly.
Days passed, then months. Walker and Elishaba became inseparable. They laughed together, dreamed together, loved each other deeply. For the first time in Walker's life, his power was no longer a curse. It became the reason for his joy.
The girl Walker created, the love his heart awaited. Walker gave you light. Why did you run from him that night? The girl Walker created, the dream heaven painted. Walker gave you his soul, now the world is losing control. Walker showed her rivers and skies, peace and love inside his eyes. Champion warned him constantly, power can destroy everything. But Walker trusted her completely, loved her pure and loved her deeply, until Katalia filled her mind with fear that poisoned love with time. Yeah. Oh, hey, yeah.
Hey, Alicia, where have you been? You've been gone for a while.
I met someone.
Oh.
A new friend at the roadside.
A new friend? Who is she?
It's not a she. It's a he. And he said she likes me. And when he said it, I felt so happy.
No. Elishaba, listen. Many can't say they like you. But many don't mean it the way you think. They will come into your life, use you and sleep with you, and then later leave you.
Really?
Yes. Not all, but many. So, just be careful. Okay?
Okay. So now tell me, what happened to us? The both of us at the end.
I will love you forever.
I love you too. Forever. So, you created me to love you.
Yes. To be my life companion.
I am feeling the same way I felt when he said he likes me. Why?
I was thinking, I have to get you someone you can be with. I mean, a female friend. Okay. I have a friend. Her name is Katalia. A trusted friend here. I will let you go to her. Yeah, because when you be with her, my heart will be at peace.
Thank you, my creator.
You're welcome.
For giving me the chance to experience the world. I promise you, I'll never let you down.
Katalia, this is Elishaba.
So, you're the one. Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you too.
Well, Elishaba is new and she shouldn't be alone all the time. So since you are both alike, I want you to stay close to her. Keep her company.
Of course I can. You're welcome.
So Elishaba, you can go to her, see where she stays, get yourself comfortable.
Okay.
A woman named Catalia entered their lives. She was beautiful, smart, manipulative.
Walker, you shouldn't have done that. Done what?
Letting Catalia get that close to Elishaba, it doesn't feel right.
She's not just anyone. She watches you like she's measuring something. You're overthinking it.
Oh, or maybe you are underestimating her. For someone who feels like they are in competition with you, trust me, you will never know what they are truly thinking.
Catalia isn't a threat.
Elishaba, the girl who appeared out of nowhere and somehow captured Walker's heart.
Walker is kind, that's all I know.
Kind or controlling?
Wait, what do you mean?
He created you. This means he can unmake you just as easily.
And from the moment she met Elishaba, she planted fear inside her heart. She whispered dangerous thoughts into Elishaba's mind.
I will love you forever.
She wouldn't hurt me. You mean I should be careful around him?
That's exactly what I'm saying. You should be careful.
Would he? No. He loves me.
At first, Elishaba refused to believe it. She trusted Walker. She loved him. But fear is powerful. And when fear grows slowly inside the heart, it begins to destroy trust.
He created you. This means he can unmake you just as easily.
What if one day he changes?
Little by little, Elishaba changed. Her smile faded. Her peace disappeared. Her love became mixed with fear.
I can't stop thinking about what you said.
Good. That means you're starting to see the truth.
Will he ever destroy me?
Not now, but what about later? Power changes people.
So, what should I do?
Protect yourself. How? Take his power before he destroys your life.
Catalia continued poisoning her mind until Elishaba finally began to believe the worst. She became terrified that the man who created her would someday destroy her.
Elishaba, I was just thinking about you.
Same here. I was even looking for you. Please, can I ask you something?
You can ask me anything.
Can you teach me how to possess your power?
My powers?
Yes.
Elishaba, it's not something simple. It is unpredictable.
I know, but I want to understand you fully.
No, understanding me doesn't require carrying what I carry.
I don't want there to be a part of your road I can't reach.
Elishaba, it can hurt you.
Do you trust me?
Of course I do.
Then don't shut me out. I am not afraid.